Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on solving a multi-part calculation task including addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and brackets. I'm gonna write the actual calculation in a tree diagram over here, and then I'm writing additional notes down here so to keep everything clean and tidy. At first, remember the order of operations. At first, solve the brackets. Second, dot operations, that's multiplication and division. And third, dash operations, that's plus and minus. Okay, let's go. We have to start with the brackets, of course, and inside the brackets we have to find the dot operations first. So the first operations will be 15.5 divided by 5, that's a dot operation inside a bracket, and 3.4 times 6.05. Okay. Well, let's go. 15.5 divided by 5. Let's see. 5 and 15, that's 3. Minus 15, which is 0 here, and take down the 5. There was a decimal point here, so we have a decimal point here. Then we have 5 and 5, that's 1 time, and we got minus 5 and 0. There's no more digit here, so 0 is the remainder, and 3.1 is the result. Then this one, 3.4 times 6.05, 6 times 4, 6 times 3, 18, 20, dot 0, 0, 0, 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 times 3, 15, 17, hope that's correct, 0, 7, 5, 0, 2, and remember the result of a multiplication has the same amount of digits after the decimal point as the factors together. So there's 1 digit here and 2 here, so we have 3 digits in after the decimal point here. So it's 20.57 minus 4.17, writing down the other ones, 2.2 bracket plus bracket 5.16 minus and 2.1 times. Well, next step, that's now we can figure out the brackets, so that's this and this one. So it's 5.16 minus 3.1. Remember that decimal point has to be below decimal point in subtraction and addition tasks. You can add an additional 0 to have it aligned here. So it's 6, 0, and 2. So that's 2.06. Then this one, 20.57 minus 4.17, 0, 4, 4 and 6 and 1. So 16.40, we can write it as just 16.4 times 2.2 from here. We have a plus from here. We have a times 2.1 here. And now the brackets have gone because we evaluated all of the brackets. And now we can go on. Now it's multiplication before addition, so we have to do this multiplication and this multiplication. So it's 2.06 times 2.1. I'm writing it this way because it's less digits this way, so 2.06 times 2.1. 2 times 6 is 12, 1, 2.2 is 4, 1 digit to the right, 1 is 602, just ignoring the decimal points, and now adding 6, 2, 3, and 4. We have 2 digits after this decimal point here, 1 here, so the result has 3 digits after the decimal point. 3 digits after the decimal point, so this is 4.326 plus, and this one 16.4 times 2.2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 is 3, and the same thing another time. 2.4 is 8, 2.6 is 12, 2.1 is 2, and 1 is 3, and add it up, 8, 10, 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 is 6, and 3. There is 1 decimal point here and 1 digit after the decimal point here and 1 here. So we have 2 digits after the decimal point in the result. So it's 36.08, and that's the last calculation, 4.326 plus, and now be careful, the decimal points have to be aligned, so it's 36.08. Add another 0 here to align it, and now just add them. 6034 .10, so it's 0 again and 4, and the result is 40.406. Is that correct? Yes, the solution says that it is okay like this, so this is the result of our calculation. What is important to adapt the order of operations, so brackets first, then dot operations, multiplication and division, and then dash operations, plus and minus, and inside the brackets the same, perform dot operations first. Don't forget the brackets as long as you haven't used all of the parts of the bracket. So we have the brackets still here, but then they go away because we compress everything from the bracket in one number, and then we can leave the bracket away.